Hey everyone, Michael Jamin here. I'm getting a lot of comments on the website. People are saying, how do I know what the correct format is for a script? Or they're saying, how long should a show Bible be? And I'm just like, these are not the questions anybody should be asking now at this stage in your career. No one gets hired because their margins are great. No one's ever looked at a script and go, man, these margins are fantastic, you're hired. And no one's ever lost out on a job because the margins were wrong. And a Bible, you're talking about how do I sell episode 312? How about just focus on the first one? How about just this? And I know why you guys aren't doing this. It's so much easier to get the answer. I just need, if only the margins are right. I'll focus on the margin. That's easier than learning how to write a good script. And I'm telling you, well, most of you think you're already there. You think you're fantastic. Look, I admire that, and good for you. But I'm telling you from a numbers point of view, I read a lot of scripts when I'm staffing for shows, and these are scripts that come to me from agents or managers. So they come through the right channels. So these are people who've already cleared the first hurdle of getting representation. They're good enough. And then I read these scripts, and 99% of these scripts that are supposed to be good are mediocre at best, and there's no demand for mediocre writers. If I have 100 scripts and 99 are mediocre, why would I hire a mediocre? I'll just hire the one that's great. There's going to be a great one in there. That's the one who's going to get hired. So stop focusing on the little things. I guess you guys are getting this information. Maybe there's just some bad knowledge out in the internet. I mean, it shouldn't surprise anybody. There's a lot of people saying stupid things, but I don't know where you're getting this from. Don't worry about the Bible. Don't worry about your margins. I never once looked at the title page and thought, oh my God, the title page. How did they do this? Who cares about the title page? Can you write a story or not? So that's what I teach in the class. If you think you're already there, then you don't need the class. I think you do, because I'm telling you, I read a lot of scripts. So my wife was just actually reading. I just gave her access to the course, and she's like, this is like a treasure trove. How do you know all this stuff? And I'm like, Jesus, we've been married 20-something years. I guess I kept it a well-hidden secret from her. Anyway, so that's it. Don't worry about the minutia. Just don't. Just learn how to write a script. Learn how to write a great script. That'll get you work, okay?